When I first really got into polymer clay in 2010, I knew I wanted to come up with my own series of little figurines. And I started with teddy bears and quickly moved on to different monsters. And I've had a lot of fun doing different ones, whether they're, the shell monsters or dragons or just kind of, whatever I could come up with. And over time, I've revisited several of these different series I've done in the past, especially the one-eyed blobs. But last year in 2023, I did this little orange starry-eyed monster. Is the first one I've done in a long time, and I really wanted to improve on what I've done before. So I added some paint detail to him. I was really happy with the sculpt of him. I even added like a little accessory with this little Woody doll from the Mini Brands toy line, their little blank capsule things. So I thought that was a lot of fun. And my plan was in 2024 to revisit that line or relaunch it, I guess. Relaunch it in my head anyway. And I got to thinking the other day, and I'm like, that's not exactly what I want to do. There's some other changes I want to make to to what I'm doing, and I want to come up with a totally original, well, as original as you can be these days, line of, monsters. So I've got just a very, very minor hint / tease for you. But be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. And you'll find out when I post the first video in this series, which should be coming up in the next month, hopefully. I sometimes overestimate when I can get things done. Thanks for watching this brief history of the different monster series I've done. And if you have ideas for future videos, please leave it in the comments down below. And remember, never stop creating. Bye.